Information about activity of Photon Joint Stock Company. Dear investors, the wide range of reforms to increase the share of the private sector and reduce the participation of the government in the economy has been carried out in Uzbekistan. In particular, the decree of the President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, dated April 28, 2015, number 2340, on measures to increase the proportion and value of the private ownership in the economy was adopted for realization to strategic foreign investors the state shares of 68 joint stock companies. Photon is one of those joint stock companies that offers to realize 32.2% of the state share in the authorized capital of the economy. The company has a status of a legal entity and conducts its business in accordance with the current legislation. The main task of JSC Photon is to develop new technologies to increase product competitiveness and to ensure long-term economic growth. Photon manufactures electronic products, home techniques based on radio electronics, and cash control machines. All products are supplied to external and internal markets. The company's authorized capital of 1,114,333 soums is divided into 405,212 pieces of common registered stocks with nominal price of 2,750 soums. The reserve fund of the company is not less than 15% of the authorized capital. The factory was established in 1941 on the basis of the vacuum devices plant in Fryazino City, Moscow region. Since 1942, the factory has started production of electronic generator and amplifier facilities. In 1965, technology of the company was totally redesigned into production of semiconductor devices and integrated circuits. Reorientation of the production has been carried out since 1994, maintaining the previous specialization into the production of electronic and radio electronic products with a complete cycle of execution. In December 1995, the company transformed into a corporation. The company owns manufacturing techniques more than 30 of discrete and planar semiconductor diodes, low-noise FET chips, the production technologies such as nickel and gold plating, the position of thin thickness of 5 micrometers, metal films, spot welding, manufacturing of internal connections using thin 100 microns, aluminum and gold wires, printed circuit boards, and manufacturing technologies. According to the localization program, the production of modern models of cash machines and LED televisions that meet modern requirements, manufacture of printed circuit board, assembly of printed circuit boards, molding houses, TV has been established. In terms of JSC Photon specialization, the existing equipment will allow to achieve production volume of electronic devices and consumer electronics in the foreseeable perspective. The purchase of certain types of equipment to eliminate bottlenecks is provided in case of increasing the volume of production. In addition, in 2015, the purchase of new equipment and the modernization of certain types of technological and auxiliary equipment are provided in order to improve their performance and achievement, a level corresponding to the international standards. The updating the measuring equipment, tool maintenance, upgrading the diffusion furnaces, installing replacement soldering crystals, replacement parts, welding machine, buying new plants for nickel details are planned in 2015. The organizational structure of the enterprise as a whole and for individual business units, ensuring carrying out of all necessary processes, procedures, and functions in accordance with the requirements of the quality management system according to the international standards ISO 9001-2008. The JSC Photon involves 550 highly qualified specialists and workers. The economic growth is based on the following processes: upgrade of out-of-date technological structures and diversification of new products that can allow to increase effectiveness of production of already developed products. Production growth on the base of the country's potential and technological structures. Sustainable development of JSC Photon due to the further diversification of high value-added products. Creation of new direction on domestic electronic industry. Quality improvement of products as well as development of new kinds of products to satisfy current and future needs of markets. Maintain an expansion of markets. creation of new working places, and special conditions to disclose the creative potential of employees. The market research confirmed the need of development of semiconductors and integrated circuits production for consumption by enterprises of Russian Federation in manufacturing of special equipment. The forecast of key financial indicators provides an increase of 10% per year. The volume of assets of the company by the end of 2014 was 16.9 billion sums. The large part of the company assets is reliable, liquid, and profitable assets that make up its investment portfolio. The achieved indicators provide a high level of financial stability and solvency of the JSC Faton. Dear investors, foreign investors of the Republic of Uzbekistan provided a number of tax privileges and preferences. Your investments will earn you profit and will contribute for the development of joint stock company Faton.